How to make Google Form 2024. So first, go to Google Forms, of course, and then just click on template gallery here at the top. Then here you can choose among the templates here that you can use to create your form. Of course, you can also use a blank form if you want, but for this example I'll just use a template. So let's say I want to use the event registration template. Just click on it. Then let's just wait for it to load. Okay, now here, let's say next you just need to edit all of this, the name of your event registration. You can also add another page break here like this. So let's say you're done customizing all of this, just click on publish and then just send this to anyone. So let's say you want to check all of the forms that you've created, just click here. And as you can see, now you can see the event registration that we just made. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.